We have all been there, staring up at a mountain of a goal, feeling completely overwhelmed. It seemed impossible, too big, too far away, like you will never reach the top. But what if I told you there is a simpler way? The truth is that mountain isn't one giant leap. It's made up of countless smaller steps. We often get caught up in the sheer size of end goal, and we forgot the power of a small, consistent action that get us there. It's like trying to eat an elephant in one bite. Impossible, but one bite at a time, absolutely doable. So how do we break that mountain? Start by identifying your ultimate goal. Then break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Think of it like creating a roadmap. Each small task is a milestone, a step in the right direction. Write them down, visualize them, and celebrate each one as you complete it. Do not focus on summit, focus on the step right in front of you. Consistency is key. Small steps taken consistently lead to massive progress over time. It's about building momentum, creating a habit of action. Don't wait for motivation to strike. Create it by taking that first small step. You will be surprised how quickly those steps add up and how much closer you are to your goal than you ever imagined. So what's one small step you can take today? Do not wait, do not hesitate, break down your mountain.